Sriram and Anu together, if they put their resumes together, they run to several pages. So for me to cull everything just to a paragraph was a really difficult choice. And I've just made a really, I hope, good attempt. Sriram is one of India's leading musicians today and hails from a family steeped in musical tradition. He started learning the violin at the He started learning violin at the age of 4, and as a child prodigy, he gave his first public performance at the age of 8.
You can see the picture there, right there.
Since then, he has given well over 3,000 violin solo concerts all over the world. He's also one of India's topmost accompanists, having accompanied all leading vocalists spanning 3 generations. His mother, our mother, Srimati Parvati Parshuram, is his primary guru. Sriram has also trained under stalwarts such as Sangeeta Kalanidhi Sri K.S. Narayana Swami, Pudukkottai Krishnamurthy Bhagavathar, and Sangeeta Bhushanam Vaidyanatha Bhagavathar, Sangeeta Kalanidhi Sri T. Vishwanathan, Sangeeta Kalanidhi Professor T. N. Krishnan, and Sangeeta Kalacharya Professor S.R. Janakiraman. For Hindustani music, he is one of the primary shishyas of Padma Bhushan Pandit C.R. Vyas. Besides his accomplishments in the field of music, Sriram Parashuram holds a mechanical engineering degree from VJTI, the University of Bombay, and an MBA from IIM Calcutta. See, I'm skipping all the pages. Sriram is also a noted musicologist and has published papers in many reputed music journals and publications. His lectures and lecture demonstrations in many music forums, conferences, sabhas, and universities all over the world have been greatly appreciated. He has been awarded the Best Paper Presentation Lecture Demonstration Prize at the prestigious Music Academy, the annual conference, a record-breaking 4 times. So, in recent years, along with Anu, he has evolved a most unique and thrilling concert format of the Carnatic and Hindustani Jugalbandi. Their ongoing weekly music program on national TV, Doordarshan, Ellame Sangeetam Dan, Everything is Music, has also been an outstanding hit, having completed more than 130 successful episodes. Anuradha Sriram, one of India's leading playback singers, started her music training at the age of 6. Well versed in both Carnatic and Hindustani classical music, Anuradha is a student of musical luminaries such as Sri Thanjavur S. Kalyanaraman, Sangeeta Kalanidhi Srimati T. Brinda, and Sangeeta Kalanidhi Sri T. Vishwanathan. She has also trained extensively in Hindustani music under the veteran Pandit Manik Bhau Thakurdas. She is also an accomplished Western classical opera singer, having undergone intensive training from Professor Shirley Meyer in New York. She also has a master's in ethnomusicology from Wesleyan University. Anuradha is one of the Indian film industry's most versatile singers, having sung more than 3,000 film songs in all of the South Indian languages and 6 North Indian languages under all leading music directors. She also has numerous hits in Hindi films. In 2006, she was awarded the prestigious Tamil Nadu State Kalaimamani Award for her significant contribution to the field of music. Her collaboration with Sriram on their very successful Ellame Sangeetam, the TV program hit, is what we are going to present here today. So please give a round of applause to team.
Thank you.
Sriram, will you introduce your accompanist?
Yeah? Middle of it.
All right. Okay.
Thanks to Shobha for that wonderful, warm introduction. I'll stand and sing if you don't mind. Yeah. Before I start, of course, all of you know this is in memory of Amma and Abba. And Amma and Abba are somewhere here, they're listening, because there is not a season that I can imagine in December where Amma and Abba haven't come or been part of. And today, this time when Sri Ram had his leg temps, it was very difficult to not have even Amma this time. It's very... there are many reasons for why you will choose a husband. You know, when I met Sri Ram in Wesleyan, he was doing his PhD and I was doing my master's. Sri Ram's a very nice person, you know, very soft-hearted and golden person he is. Very, very nice. But you know, I mean, what sealed my decision to marry him was not him actually. I mean, I don't mean it. I mean it in the nicest way, okay? I mean, it was because in 2-3 months I had met him and he was fantastic. He also knew both Carnatic and Hindustani and everything was fine. I mean, because for me music was the most important thing. I didn't care for anything else right from my childhood, and I wanted a family who considered music. Music must be so dear to them, more than even food. Without music they shouldn't be able to live. I was looking for such a family, and then when I met his mother and father, and of course his brother was also there, the entire family was there in the US at that time. I remember he invited me home, and then when I went, they were all singing Kalyani Varnam. And then Amma said, please come and put Swaram. We had to sing, and I said, well, I don't know about Sri Ram, but this is the family I want to be with, because they let me sing and they let me be with my music for a very long, long time. And that's so true, you know. No matter how talented you are, unless your in-laws see what you are and they encourage you. I still remember Appa, when he used to come in 1998 and all, I used to be going to Rahman's recordings. All of you know he's a, you know, nocturnal. He records only early mornings and nights and all that. So when I come back, the only thing his father used to tell me was, you should get enough sleep, you know. Which father-in-law tells a daughter-in-law, you please go and sleep. Don't do so much work, only then your voice will be fine. I think, I mean, and it's music. Why Ellame Sangeetham today is very appropriate is because Appa Amma considered every music very nice. Anything that had, you know, some goodness in it is great music. So they, even when I sang Karuputta or O Podu, they didn't have a problem with it, you know, really. I could sing anything under the sun and they would be so proud of me. And I'm very grateful to them because living with Sri Ram for so many years and the kind of musician that he is, I'm a much better musician today, and the kind of perfectionist he is, oh dear, I can't even open my mouth and sing a line without it being perfect. And I thank him for that, because when I went to do playback singing, any time of the day they call me, any time of the night they call me, I have to sing, deliver 100%, and he made sure I became a better musician. So thanks, Sri Ram, and thanks to Amma Yappa for giving Sri Ram to me. I mean, you know, that's the best thing they did. So the first composition we'll present, Ellame Sangeetham is a format in television which we've been, we have done more than 200 episodes in Doordarshan. We take up a raga and Sri Ram explains the raga and he sings different genres in Carnatic and Hindustani in that particular raga, and then I sing the counterpart, whatever has come in the film in those ragas. So to kind of make it accessible. Raga is accessible even to the common man. You don't have to be so scared of it. That's what we've been trying to do. And here is this beautiful composition sung by Vani Jairam Amma and composed by the great stalwart M.S. Vishwanathan sir. Yezhu Swarangalukkull Ethanai Paadal.
ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல், இதய சுரங்கத்துள் எத்தனை கேள்வி, காணும் மனிதருக்குள் எத்தனை சலனம், காணும் மனிதருக்குள் எத்தனை சலனம், அவரது கவனம் கற்பனை சந்தோஷத்தில் அவரது கவனம் ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் இதய சுரங்கத்துள் எத்தனை கேள்வி ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் காலை எழுந்தவுடன் நாளைய கேள்வி காலை எழுந்தவுடன் நாளைய கேள்வி அது கையில் கிடைத்த பின்னும் துடிக்குது ஆவி கையில் கிடைத்த பின்னும் துடிக்குது ஆவி ஏனென்ற கேள்வி ஒன்று என்றைக்கும் தங்கும் ஏனென்ற கேள்வி ஒன்று என்றைக்கும் தங்கும் மனித இன்பத் துன்பம் எதிலும் கேள்விதான் நெஞ்சும் இன்பத் துன்பம் எதிலும் கேள்விதான் நெஞ்சும் ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை எனக்காக நீ அழலாம் இயற்கையில் நடக்கும் எனக்காக நீ அழலாம் இயற்கையில் நடக்கும் ஆ எனக்காக நீ அழலாம் இயற்கையில் நடக்கும் நீ எனக்காக உணவு உண்ண எப்படி நடக்கும் நமக்கென்று பூமியிலே கடமைகள் உண்டு அதை நமக்காகலும் கையால் செய்வது நன்று நமக்காக நம் கையால் செய்வது நன்று ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் ஆரம்பத்தில் பிறப்பும் உன் கையில் ஆரம்பத்தில் பிறப்பும் உன் கையில் இல்லை பின்பு அடுத்தடுத்து நடப்பும் உன் கையில் இல்லை பாதை வகுத்த பின்பு பயந்தென்னலாவும் பாதை வகுத்த பின்பு பயந்தென்னலாவும் அதில் பயணம் நடத்திவிட மறைந்திடும் பாவம் பயணம் நடத்திவிட மறைந்திடும் பாவம் ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் நாளை பொழுது யாரும் நமக்கென வாழ்கிறது நடத்த ஒருவன் உண்டு கோவிலில் காண்க நாளை பொழுது யாரும் நமக்கென வாழ்கிறது நடத்த ஒருவன் உண்டு கோவிலில் காண்க வேளை பிறக்கும் என்று நம்பிக்கை கொள்க வேளை பிறக்கும் என்று நம்பிக்கை கொள்க எந்த வேதனையும் மாறும் மேகத்தை போல வேதனையும் மாறும் மேகத்தை போல ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் இதய சுரங்கத்துள் எத்தனை கேள்வி காணும் மனிதருக்குள் எத்தனை சலனம் வெறும் கற்பனை சந்தோஷத்தில் அவரது கவனம் ஏழு ஸ்வரங்களுக்குள் எத்தனை பாடல் ஆ
The song that she sang was a Ragamalika. அந்த ரெண்டாவது ராகம் ரஞ்சனி, as a tribute to our mother. இது வந்து ஸ்ரீ தஞ்சாவூர் சங்கரையர்கிட்ட கத்துண்ட ஒரு பாடல், ஒரு காம்போசிஷன், ரொம்ப அழகான ஒரு காம்போசிஷன் கிருதி. அது நாங்கள் வந்து அம்மாட்டேந்து கத்துண்டோம். இந்த 4 ரஞ்சனி, சதுரஞ்சனி மாலா சொல்வா. ரஞ்சனி, ஸ்ரீரஞ்சனி, மேகரஞ்சனி, ஜனரஞ்சனி.
It's also very appropriate because Shankarayar was very dear to Amma and Appa. So it's nice to start with his composition.
रंजनी मृदु पंकजलोचनी, 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 रंजनी सरि ग सनि द सरि ग म द सा सनि ध नि द म ग सरि ग सनि द सरि ग म द सा सनि ध नि द म ग मंजु भाषिनी, मंजु भाषिनी मनोलासिनी, मंजु भाषिनी मनोलासिनी, मंदार गमनी, रागमणि रंजनी, श्रीरंजनी, रंजनी श्रीरंजनी सनि द मगरि ग म नि द मगरि सनि ग मगरि सनि ध नि सनि द मगरि ग म म नि द मगरि सनि ग ग मगरि सनि ध नि सनि ग सनि द सा सनि ग म द सा सनि ध नि द म ग सा म ग न विनोदिनी, विनोदिनी सा म ग न विनोदिनी शशांकवदनी मारजननी मेघ रंजनी, मेघ रंजनी, मेघ रंजनी, मेघ रंजनी नी सा नी सा सा नी नी मा नी मा नी मा नी मा ग ग रि रि नी सा Niri sa sa ni ni mama ni ni ma ni mama ga ga ri sa ni da ma ga ri ga ma ni da ma ga ri sa di ga ma ga ri sa di da ni sa di ga sa ni da sa di ga ma da sa ni da ni da ma ga sa pa ma ra janapalini pamara janapalini pamara janapalini shulini papa vimo jani pavani amba pamara janapalini shulini papa vimo jani pavani janaranjani 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 Baba Mari Gama Mari Gama Ni Sada Ba Da Mari Gama Mari Gama Mari Gama Ni Sada Ba Da Mari Gama Ni Sa Ni Sa Da Ni Mama Ni Mama Ni Mama Ga Ga Ri Sa Ni Da Ma Ga Ri Ga Mama Ni Da Ma Ga Ri Sa Ni Ga Ma Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa Ri Ga Sa Ni Da Sa Ri Ga Ma Da Sa ni da ni da ma ga sa ni da ni da ma ga sa ni da ni da ma ga sa ranjani mridu pankajalo ni ranjani mridu pankajalo ni
So many Ranjanis, 4 Ranjani, நிறைய Ranjani பாடியாச்சு. I have to definitely remember Ranjani. Ranjani Gayatri, I am sure all of you know. In fact, she is Ranjani Gayatri is my chitti Maata ponnu. And the family is very proud to have them as part of our family too, because I think they're one of the most promising classical musicians now. And classical. Most promising illa, but I mean there's so much more to go also. You don't know, you've not already reached you. So much more to achieve always in classical music. They are already there, but I think they are fantastic musicians and we are very happy to have them. And Chitti, like Ammai, is very encouraging. That's why they are able to do all the kacheris wherever they do. So I'd like to thank Chitti for, if somebody has to achieve something, somebody has to sacrifice something. It's a pretty straightforward equation. So, we have such support from the family. I just wanted to say that. The next song is one of my personal favorites. Lataji's, of course, many songs of hers. But this is also my personal favorite because of Zeenat Aman. I'll have to be very honest. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. For you. There's a little more track I need on the monitors. I can't hear it properly. Little more track. Level चाहिए और भी चाहिए उसमें. बढ़ा सकते हैं थोड़ा.
ईश्वर सत्य है. सत्य ही शिव है. शिव ही सुंदर है. जागो उठ कर देखो जीवन जो तुजागर है. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. सुंदरम.
जरा लेवल जरा तंबूरा और जरा लेवल जरा और वायलिन का जरा लेवल मॉनिटर्स The raga on which this song that she just sang is from a scale which we call Natabhairavi in Carnatic, and it's a thought called Asavari thought from the Hindustani tradition. I shall play a raga called Jaunpuri, which belongs to Asavari thought, a composition of Pandit Kumar Gandharv in this very beautiful raga Jaunpuri. Jaunpuri vande nammalum we have also adapted the raga into Carnatic. We have so many beautiful compositions. A composition in Drut Teen Tal. The issue with Hindustani ragas is that it's absolutely impossible within the tradition to present the raga in such a short capsule. In Carnatic, we are used to presenting a raga for 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Or kriti paadi mudichudlam. Or 2 minutes kriti. But the tradition in Hindustani doesn't allow for that. It allowed for a brief time when there were EP records in the 40s and 50s, where you have the great Ustad Badi Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab, Paluskar Sahab. They were forced to render 15 ragas within the space of an EP recording. Anyway, the next pair of ragas we shall present is the king of ragas, the raga Kalyani, and the raga Yamuna Kalyani.
There are so many compositions based in this raga, especially. It's a king even in film industry. There are so many songs. So many of you would have heard the great legendary Yesudasoda song, Amma endralikada uyirillaye, Ammavai vanangada uyarillaye, neeru ninru pesum devam, பெற்ற தாயன்றி வேறொன்று ஏது அம்மா என்றழைக்காத. I remembered that song because for Sriram, getting an award or having thousands of people in a concert never mattered. For him, what his mother said always mattered. You know, it's always he would play something and he has to send it to his mother, or he has to discuss. It's like the mother's validation was the most important. So I was feeling literally very sad when he played Jaunpuri, such a raga, you know. And of course you say, you know, Ghar ki murgi dal barabar. Some of us, you know, sometimes I don't give any bhav because I'm busy thinking what to cook or whom to get the payment from. And, you know, he's playing the best of Jaunpuris and I'm not even listening to it. I'm really sorry for that, Sriram. I'll try better. You know, from next time onwards, I'll try to put myself there. But, you know, Kakaik tan kunji pon kunjinu Tamil, there is a proverb where, you know, for every crow, its own kid is like a golden crow, you know. But of course, these are all golden boys of Ammayappa, no doubt about that. But one thing about parents I've seen with the Parashuram family is that the parents' validation goes a long way in how they are in life, you know, and how good they will be as human beings. I think Amma Appa did a brilliant job of that. Though they never said that you played brilliantly or something, but they always made sure, you know, they were always there for them. And that is something I've learned from, that I have to be there for my son no matter how much he troubles me with his adolescent problems. I have to say that he's the best boy there. Okay, I'm going to do that. Kaatril Varum Geethame is the composition I'm going to sing. This is Raja sir, one of my all-time favorite composers, my Manasika guru in film music. I love the song because Vali sir, who is also no more, he says, Isayin Payane Iraivan Thane. The purpose of music is to attain God. I think that's very beautifully said. Yeah.
காற்றில் வரும் கீதமே கண்ணனை அறிவாயா.
थोड़ा कम कर दें.
காற்றில் வரும் கீதமே கண்ணனை
ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾನಿ 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 ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾನಿ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕಾಶಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಕಾಶಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಪೂಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೋಳ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೋಳ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ 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 ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ
ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ. It's about Yashoda and Krishna. But I was thinking that the mic is asking Sriram, please show me your face. Please show me your face, you know. So we were trying to adjust in this, like this way and that way. The next raga, if Todi and Kalyani are kings, then, you know, Bhimplas is the queen of ragas in the film industry. It has such a bhava in it, you know, so much rasas can be conveyed through that. There are many beautiful songs. Of course, the classic example is Shruti.
சிங்காரவேலனே தேவா உன் சீராடும் மார்போடு வா வா. சிங்காரவேலனே தேவா.
The same thing I think Rahman was inspired and he did.
கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை நீ கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை.
Of course, there are these Arajaganamana classical songs, but there are beautiful melody songs. For example, in Hindi, in Pukar, of course, Rahman also did this.
किस्मत से तुम हमको मिले हो कैसे छोड़ेंगे ये हाथ हम ना तोड़ेंगे. फिर से बनती तकदीरों को अरमानों की ज़ंजीरों को जानम बना तोड़ेंगे. किस्मत से तुम हमको मिले हो कैसे छोड़ेंगे ये हाथ हम ना तोड़ेंगे.
Such beautiful compositions. I'm still not singing properly because I'm very overwhelmed about this evening, you know. It's a very special performance because I have all special people here, you know, and Amma Appa are saying from somewhere and I'm getting nervous every now and then. But nevertheless, I want to sing another Malayalam song. This is especially for my favorite test person in this family, which is my Kunjappa right here. Sri Ram's Chitappa. Never seen a more enlightened person. Never seen anybody smile at the face of adversity, you know. I mean, he's always there for everybody, you know. And I am so honored to have you, Kunjappa. I am so blessed to have you. He is very mallu, okay? You have to sing Malayalam song to impress him. So I am going to sing this beautiful song which Shreya sang. वो थोड़ा कम कर देना, पता नहीं क्यों it's going and coming. थोड़ा कम कर देना voice feedback.
கண்ணோடு கண்ணோரம் നോക്കിയിരുന്നാലും കാണാമറയത്ത് ഒളിച്ചാലും കണ്ണിനും കണ്ണായൊരു കണ്ണിൻ തുമ്പത്ത് കണ്ണി
Kunjapa. The song that I'm going to be presenting is, I'm sure Sriram is saying, oh God, it's getting late and why is she on and on about Beam Plus. There I know the next comment will come, but I'm going to sing a beautiful song again of Lataji's, Nano Mein Badra Chaye. थोड़ा वो हाँ थोड़ा कम कर देना ये फीडबैक अच्छा थोड़ा और ट्रैक चाहिए थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा
नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बना मोहे गरवा लगा दे नैनों में बदरा छाए मदिरा में डूबे अखियाँ चंचल है दोनों सखियाँ मदिरा में डूबे अखियाँ चंचल है दोनों सखियाँ जलती रहेंगे तो है पलकों के प्यारी पतियाँ शर्मा के देंगे खाए मदिरा के प्यारे प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं प्रेम दीवानी प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं पिछले जन्म से तेरी प्रेम कहानी हूँ मैं आए सजनम भी तू अपना बना ले नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके हाय ऐसे में बनम मोहे गरबा लगा ले नैनों में बदरा छाए
Thank you.
In Carnatic music, this raga Abheri, there is a very beautiful version of Muthuswami Dikshit also where he calls this raga Devagandharam. And also the raga Bhimplasi has been adopted into the Carnatic system also. Nagumomu ganaleni najani telisi. There can be no Rasika of Carnatic music who doesn't know this composition. If you don't know this composition, that means you've not even begun your journey as a Rasika. Then of course you have Yepadi Padi Naro அடியார் அப்படி பாடனான் ஆசை கொண்டேன் சிவனே எப்படி பாடினரோ. A very beautiful composition, Raga Bhimpalasi. Now I am going to present a very wonderful composition of my very dear and revered Guruji Pandit C.R. Vyas in this Raga Bhimpalasi. It's very special because his wonderful son Shashi Kaka is here, and then of course my dear brother, friend brother, Guru Bandhu Sri Sanjeev Shimalgi is here. So this composition Bhavara Sataveri in the Raga Bhimplas, ek tal. Dharana 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 Bhavara Sataveri 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 Bhavara Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara 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 Sataveri Bhavara Satavera Sataveri Bhavara Sataveri Kariya Tariya Bata Takata Hupiya Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara 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 Kariya Tariya Bata Takata Hupiya Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Ma 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 Bani Baga Ma Nida Da Ba 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 Bani Baga Ma Ba Ma Ba Ma Ga Ma Ga Ma Magani Da Da Ba Ba Ma Bani Da Ba Ba Ma Ba Da Ba Ga Ma Ba Ma Ba Ma Bani Bani Sa Ni Da Ba Sa Sa Ni Ni Da Ba Ma Ba Sa Ga Ma Ni Ni Ba Ma Ga Ma Ba Ga Ma Ba 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 Ma Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Ga Ma Ba Ni Sa Ga Ma Ba Ni Sa Ga Ma Ba Ni Sa Bhavara Sataveri Bhavara Bhavara सदा बेरी भवरा सदा भवरा सतावेरी 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 भवरा 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 सतावेरी भवरा भवरा नयावे जानकुनी नयावे जानकुनी नयावे जानकुनी तापर भवरन की गूंज नयावे जानकुनी तापर भवरन की गूंज दुख देनी कैसे सहू दुख देनी कैसे सहू कर पा दिया की भवरा भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा भवरा सतावेरी भवरा भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा 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 सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा नयावे जानकुनी नयावे जानकुनी तापर भवरन की गूंज दुख दे कैसे सब तड़पा दिया की भवरा सतावेरी भवरा सतावेरी भवरा 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 सता
Anuradha Sriram singing a film concert and not doing a folk song or a Dappanguttu song is kind of not correct actually, you know. I mean, oh, podu panna matana. This is the kind of, you know, I'm done to death. Appadi podu also I'm not going to do because I've done it too many times. Nariya potu thiripi potu medichi potachadha. I'm doing another cute song in Hamsanadam Raga, which is one of my favorites, sung by Raja sir. Surgame Yendralum. அது நம்மூர போல வருமா. I'm going to dedicate this to my beautiful brother-in-law, Narayan Parashuram. He's not going to like it because the family doesn't like dedications. They don't like wishing happy birthdays. They're very weird people, but they're nice people, you know. Because for Ammayappa, you know, all of them were very special. All the 4 children were special. But Narayan, wherever Narayan Parashuram is, it was heaven for them. That is what it was. Sargam for them. Because you know, in everybody's life, you know, you are a parent, then you have children, and at some point in time, the children become parents, you know, for you. You know, you become children, and then your children take care of you like parents, and they couldn't have had a better parent than Narayan. I don't think so. Every waking hour, he has taken care of them, every little need of theirs. So much so that, you know, the two Mattu Ponnus didn't have so much work. Let me be very honest. Thanks to Narayan. Because, you know, they came only for the season in December, or, you know, they'll stay for 3-4 months. But otherwise, they were so happy that, you know, because Narayan was everything to them, you know, and this whole effort is his, you know, and I really, you won't see even a single picture of his. That is how he is, very weird. And he will call me and say, wish me happy birthday on his birthday, and, you know, but such a great soul he is, you know. This song is for you, okay? I'm feeling too sentimental, so I'm going to sing this Dabba song for you, okay? Surgame. थोड़ा और ट्रैक चाहिए मुझे. थोड़ा ये फीडबैक कम कर देना, मेरा वॉइस थोड़ा कम.
போல வருமா
At this point in time, I'd love to introduce my orchestra. We have Swapnil on the keys, we have Upendra on the pads, and we have, I thought only Kabir used that word Avaduta, but we have Avaduta on the flute. It's very difficult for them playing all these Tamil songs because they have really not heard them before, and I really thank them for their support. Thank you.
We have Sri Siddheshji on the harmonium, Sri Prasad on the tabla, Sri Shankar Narayan on the mridangam. Or is there a tanpura check? Tanpura. Or violin also a little bit more. भाई साहब जरा रिवर्ब डिले कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है साउंडिंग गुड सभी चैनल्स ओपन करें सब लोग बुलाएं
At this point in time, I should say that one of the first jazz bands that qualified in Europe was a band named Divya, which Sriram was a part of, and they had composed many jazz compositions at that point in time. 1983, yes, when people were beginning to listen to probably jazz. We have just one last composition. What is that? Can you sing Ammawa? I sang Amma in Radhika. Somebody slept through the concert. I mean, I did sing. I mean, the whole song, yeah, we already did Kalyani. We'll, some other time, definitely. We have to wind up. Just few lines, okay. The last raga we wanted to present was Sindhu Bhairavi. Of course, it's... I sing, yeah, C is too low for me. I'll just sing it in E and then I'll... of course, there's one person whom I can... is very, very special to the entire family. Narayan, of course. When we really miss the sister. You know, the Nathanar is the most important person. She has to tie the knot. Otherwise, you're not fully married, you know. I still remember Mohanam, you can see her. Really miss her. Very enthusiastic. The very first time she heard me sing in Wesleyan, you know, in the university in US, she was very upset because in the ponnu kalyanam pannindana ammaku eppadi feel agum appdin romba she was very upset. She was not so really, you know, for it. And then but she's that kind of a childlike person. Anything she felt, she would just say it off. You know, she didn't really think twice. But she was the person who was most proud. If I sang somewhere, some corner of US, she will drive all the way for 14 hours just to see me sing. And just to take a picture and tell everybody, you know, this is my sister-in-law and she's singing. And so proud of me. I mean, you know, so proud of everybody. You know, she was so possessive of all of us. And nothing you can do without telling her. If you're doing a program like this, if we had even started breathing the word about this without telling her, she would be so upset. But Mohanam, every second we have thought of you. You're always there with us. And this song is especially for you. This song, I'll sing a few lines. We'll wind up with a beautiful abhang Sriram is going to sing.
There is one very big... if I am playing the violin, it is because of my sister.
Mohanam, you're very fondly remembered. We'd like to thank Vijay for the sound. Though now and then he blasted my ears, I still think it's fantastic sound. It's beautiful. And of course, Dharmesh for all the stage arrangements and everybody, light and sound and the entire Chembur Fine Arts for giving us this beautiful hall and supporting us with this venture. Hopefully every year we'll have beautiful artists come and perform in memory of Ammayappa and Mohanam. Sindhu Bhairavi, E DJ, na? Track nahi chahiye, sir. I was supposed to sing the whole song, but we'll just sing the Pallavi for you. வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்குது குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது சில நேரம் சிறு சிறுவென சிறுவிரு படப்பட துடிக்குது எங்கும் தேகம் கூசுது சின்ன பெண் பெண்ணல்ல வண்ண பூந்தோட்டம் கொட்டட்டும் மேளம்தான் அங்கு காதல் தேரோட்டம் வளையோசை கலகலகலவென கவிதைகள் படிக்குது குழு குழு தென்றல் காற்றும் வீசுது சில நேரம் சிறுவென சிறுவில் படபட துடிக்குது எங்கும் தேகம் கூசுது. Sung by Lataji, one of her first Tamil songs. Now we'll be doing an abhang.
We shall conclude this wonderful evening. It's been wonderful for us. Hope it has been the same for all of you. In this Sindhu Bhairavi Raga, an abhang by Kanho Patra, very famous abhang, made even more famous by the legendary Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, by Kunti Saraya, a composition, an abhang. And thank you so much for coming and giving us your love. Thank you once again. We conclude with this abhang. Say, Mila Diji.
तानपुरा जरा होगी. I cannot hear you. Two? No, it's fine to me. The greatness of some of our gurus, on whose shoulders we tries to stand, is what just Sanjeev is an example of. This Tanpura, between a half note, has 100 cents. It's divided into 100. He comes and tells me it needs to go up by 2 notches. So the sensitivity of his ears, 2 by 100, is the kind of perfection that our gurus have asked us, have goaded us, have encouraged us to pursue. So, thank you, Sanjeev. Shruti Mata Laya Pita. You know, you have to show it in your attitude towards music. Both the Rasika as well as the Kalakar, both of us have to treat them as our dear parents. Loud monitors. Monitor में voice Aga Vaikunthi Charaya, 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 Raya Vithala Sakhaya, Raya Vithala Sakhaya, Aga Vaikunthi Charaya, Aga Vaikunthi Charaya, Raya Vithala Sakhaya, Raya Vithala Sakhaya.
अगा वैकुंठीचा राया
राया विठ्ठल सखाया
पुंडलीक वरदा पुंडलीक वरदा पुंडलीक वरदा पुंडलीक वरदा पुंडलीक वरदा पुंडलीक वरदा विष्णु तू गोविंदा विष्णु तू गोविंदा वैकुंठीचा राया अगा वैकुंठीचा राया अगा वैकुंठीचा अगा वैकुंठीचा राया
आगा वैकुंठीचा राया
अगा वैकुंठीचा राया राया वैकुंठीचा राया
राया वैकुंठीचा राया राया विठ्ठल सखाया राया विठ्ठल सखाया आगा वैकुंठीचा राया आगा वैकुंठीचा राया
रखुमाईचा कांदा रखुमाईचा कांदा रखुमाईचा कांदा
रखुमाईचा कांता
कान्हो पात्रा राखी आता कान्हो पात्रा राखी आता अगा अगा वैकुंठीचा राया अगा वैकुंठीचा राया राया
विठ्ठल सखाया राया विठ्ठल सखाया
अगा वैकुंठीचा राया वैकुंठीचा वैकुंठीचा
Thank you.